and today we're gonna do I Ready Math. I'm gonna go get some water. Okay, it was too loud. I can't. I ran weirdly.
Complete each equation to solve the problem. You can break apart the array to help. Drag the slider back to the start to move the other slider. Complete each equation to solve the problem. What is 3 times 7? Three times 7 equals 21, and 2 times 7 equals 14. Enter 21. You got it.
I did get it.
Equals 35. Find 4 times 8.
Guys, it's 5 right now, and I'm so tired. It's 5 a.m. And you're like, this is crazy. You've never made videos at 5 a.m.
Let's break apart one of the factors to make multiplying easier. Choose a way to break apart one of the factors in 4 times 8.
Four times late. Oh no, I'm late. 4 times 8, I'm late. So which one should we do? This one or this one? Let me choose. You want me to choose? It's anyone you want.
Complete each equation to solve the problem. You can break apart the array to help.
Crystal's shuttle. Flory, seriously? I was just about to multiply something. Well, but Flory's crazy. Okay, 8 times 4. No, not 8 times 4. This is getting never mind. If I do 8, it's gonna get tricky. Should I swoop swap them?
Think about the number of rows in each array.
Good. So 2.
It's 547.
2. That's good. But we can't go in the living room. It sounds too loud in the living room. That's why I read it. You're like 607.
It's good. Oh, look at that.
So
For so long. Wow.
because it stay laid down so that your head can relax. Guys, have you heard about what's 1 plus 1 equals 2? And then 60, and then all the way to 60 plus 60 equals 32.
4 times 8 equals 32. Find 6 times 9. Let's break apart one of the factors to make multiplying easier. Choose a way to break apart one of the factors in 6 times 9. Complete each equation to solve the problem. You can break apart the array to help. Think about the number of counters in each row of each array.
Okay.
Can someone give me
Okay. So, guys, I do not know the answer. So, I'm going to be smart by multiplying 6 times 5. And that equals 30. Now, I don't know the other one. So, I'm going to multiply 6 times 4.
What is 6 times 4? That's it.
That's right.
6 times 9 equals 54.
Yo, that's cool.
What's next?
Find 3 times 9. First, complete the equation to show a way to break apart the factor 9. Nine can be broken apart into 6 plus 3. Next, drag the slider to show how the factor 9 is broken apart. That's right. But let's break apart the array like this. Complete the equation to show how the array is broken apart.
Guys, I don't really know. Can I take it down? I'm just joking.
Complete the equation to find the product of each part. What is 3 times 18 plus 9 equals 27. So 3 times 9 equals 27. Find different ways to break apart 6 times 7. First, choose the expression that shows a way to break apart the factor 6. Next, choose the expression that shows a way to break apart the factor 7.
Nice job. You received 20 coins.
That was exactly what I'm done. Bye, everyone. See you in our next video.